Find the distance ED. Right, where's ED? Well, there's a lot of stuff here that's confusing perhaps, but this is just one triangle here, and it's a right angle triangle. You see that? There's a right angle there. So we know two sides of a right angle triangle, and we're looking for the third side, and mark that X. So Pythagoras' theorem applies here. X squared is going to equal 1.95 squared plus 10 squared. That's Pythagoras' theorem. The square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we just get the square root of both sides, and we end up getting the square root of this here. And bang that into the calculator gently. So we'll get our square root key, and then 1.95 squared plus 10 squared, all underneath the square root key. Press equals, and I have 10.188. So to two decimal places, I'll be going 10.19, and that's going to be meters. Does it make sense? Well, we can check it out, because we can, what can we do? Well, by Pythagoras' theorem, 10.19 squared then should equal, yeah, well, we've just done that, yeah, I mean, does it make sense? I'm just going to double check, right, so I'm going to go 10.19 squared, what does that equal? 10.19 squared equals 103.84, right, roughly. Now, what's the sum? If you square that, you get 100, and if we square 1.95, what do we get? 1.95 squared is not going to be much. It's only 3.8. See that? So if you add the two of them, we get 103.8. So we're double checked. So we're happy enough with this answer here. That's about it.